Okay, today we're here at KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and we came for their new Mike's Hot Honey. Well, these are the tenders, so I got the 3-piece tender combo. So I got the fries with it. You actually have your choice of sides. I just chose the fries and a biscuit. So here's the, you can see the hot honey glistening on there. Okay. Too hot. They just made them. Eat them with your hands, you're gonna get the Mike's Hot Honey all over your hands. Even though it's, the name hot is in the honey, it's really not that hot. Right now all I have is just a little bit of tingling on my tongue. It at least is sweet as honey. It just doesn't really have much of a hot aspect. It's building just a little bit though. It's still not all that hot. Just now a little bit more warm in my mouth. Yeah, so if you're expecting really, super spicy, you're not going to get that in the Mike's Hot Honey. You'll get sweetness and just a little bit of heat just to make your tongue a little bit warm, your mouth a little bit warm, and your hands a lot sticky. And you can get, we got the 3-piece combo, but I think it comes in a 4-piece and also the chicken sandwich. So these are the fries. They're battered too. It's been about 5 minutes and they still actually taste pretty good. Maybe it's the batter. It's still warm too. You need to see me eat the biscuit. Take a bite of the biscuit. They didn't give me any honey, but we can maybe we could get some from the bottom here of the. The biscuits are more buttery tasting than I remember them. Well, they are good. Even better when you have honey on them. So yeah, if you want one of these, for us it was $7 for the 3 tenders, biscuit, and side. So I'm not sure what it is for the rest of the country, but that's what it is for us. So yeah, this is pretty good, but if you're, like I said, if you're looking for really, really spicy, you're not going to get really, really spicy. So let's see. I think I'll give them maybe an A-, just because of the Mike's Hot Honey is not all that hot. The tenders themselves are really good, and so are the biscuits and the fries. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.